Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this one I will show you how to change your domain name on Wix. So guys, of course, you need to understand that the domains are not free, you have to buy one. So if you already have one or you can afford to buy a new one, you can actually choose the domain, but either way, in order to change the name of the already existing domain, you just go to your dashboard, and as you can see guys, in our welcoming screen on the setup panel on the left, this left panel, we have our connect a custom domain. So pretty much, as you can see, we can just insert our domain name. So mine, as you can see, is just a test store that I've created to show you guys. So you can just delete this and say, for example, store at us 887, something like this, .net. And then you just press on let's go. And of course you will need to check if this store is available. So as you can see in my case, this store, this URL and this ID right in this domain is available, so I can actually purchase it. I can make it mine. So after that, you just, as you can see, get a domain. If you have a premium plan, then you just continue and you get yourself a new updated name for your store. So this is how it's done. Basically just navigate to the setup, and in here you can manage your store name and your domain. Enjoy guys. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment if you have any questions maybe or some feedback. Now subscribe to us, and I'll see you in the next video.